Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a kind of hopefully nifty Victorinox sort of gift set. And this gift set, I believe, oops, it was upside down. This gift set is a gift set that has a Victorinox Classic and I hope I say the name right, a Konus, K-O-N-U-S, a Konus flashlight. So the Victorinox Classic is pretty familiar. It has toothpick and tweezers, scissors, and the small knife blade, and then the nail file. And this is in the later generation with the screwdriver, so it's a classic SD. Anything else in the box? Nope, nothing else in the box. So it also has a Konus flashlight. And the batteries are dead. But that's okay. So it has a Konus flashlight, which is kind of neat, I guess. Oh, alright. So it takes AAA batteries, it looks like. I guess the mystery would be, do I have any AAA batteries within reach? My guess is I do. So let's take these out and we'll replace it and we'll see how the flashlight looks. Alright. They were in the right way, right? They didn't do something weird like put them in backwards, did they? Alright, I didn't do something weird like put them in backwards, did I? Oh! Ah, that was dumb. You should pull out the little thing. I bet your flashlight will work. Yeah. Can you see that? Alright, fine. Fair enough, flashlight. You win round one. Alright, so let's see. I twist it to do something. I don't twist it to do something. Oh, yeah, this one has the little end cap thing. Alright. So aside from random bouts of genius, y'all saw that, right? I'm not crazy. So it's got a signal mode and on. Something weird is going on with this thing. I feel like y'all are seeing that, right? This is okay. So let's see. Turn it on. One click gets me light. One click doesn't get me light. Maybe I gotta hold it down for a few seconds. Huh. That is super weird. I think I'm being outsmarted by a flashlight. It's a neat flashlight. I mean, I like the flashlight. It feels like it's a good size. But yeah, I don't exactly know what's going on with the whole light situation. That is super inconvenient. So let's see. One click. Nothing. Maybe nothing. Seems like nothing. Alright. So it looks like 2 clicks. It looks like, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's like, it looks like it's very faintly doing something. I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on with this flashlight. Well, anyway. So aside from being outsmarted by a flashlight today, I don't know. That's kind of weird. Anyway, it's a neat looking flashlight, and I mean, I like the feel of it. I just wish I understood what I was doing. So it turns on fine. Maybe it's got a timeout or something. So on, off. So if we give it a couple seconds, maybe 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you double click, nothing happens. Single click, we get the light on and off. So triple click. Yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway, let me know what you think. Aside from not being able to work the flashlight, it's kind of interesting. I'll include links in the description where you can find the knife and Konus flashlights. I do not know about this particular setup though, because this is kind of a gift set, and I didn't see any of these gift sets for sale, but they might be around. Like, if you check eBay and stuff, or there might be a more modern version of this gift set. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, or you know what on earth I did wrong with the flashlight, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.